These are where those blue tinted bolts go on. But I do see how I'm going to bypass the propane and the gasoline. I'm just going to put two separate valves on there. Eliminate that fuel selector switch. The gasoline is super easy. The propane, I have to go find an inline valve with the right diameter, barbs on each end. And just remind you, this is not an instructional video. It's just kind of like a video to kind of, you have to get into this. You kind of know what you're in for and what to look for, and improve on my mistakes. This is definitely not really up to speed on this guy yet. Okay, so my plan, so I want this to run on propane. This definitely what I think I want, but that might change. But here's your propane. It comes in here, goes to this fuel selector valve, and comes out to here. So I'm just going to disconnect those. Disconnect this hose and this hose. I'm going to find an inline valve with some barbs on it with the right diameter and just stick it right here. You know, just remove it from this, and I'm going to do the same with the gasoline. This is your gasoline right here. This is a lot easier. You just pop this off and then plug it in. But you have to remember to shut off one if you're using the other. You know, that type of thing. So I don't know. That's it for this video. I'll bring you back when I retest this valves. I get the valve straightened out. I gotta remember to get oil in here too, because I've drained the oil. Most like I'll get everything fixed and forget to put oil in it. Yeah. Keep getting diverted from my projects, but I had replace this lower control arm on my Jeep Liberty because this used to be a bolt in here that was screwed in here, and it was attaching the sway bar interface thing. Yeah, I've got one right here. Basically went up like that. There's a bolt in there, and it had come loose, and it basically boom, sheared it off, and this thing was just hanging there, and it didn't have a sway bar, working sway bar in the car. So I tried to drill it out, and I got off center. I was trying to get this bolt out, and I couldn't. So I happen to have one of these handy, the whole control arms. I had to replace the whole control arm, and that was kind of a mess. But I got it done. It's worked. The Jeep's working now. But that's one of the things that took me away from this, along with some other things I don't want to mention right now. Oh, my wife had to go to the hospital, nearly died. That's another thing. But she's got all straightened out. So I can get back to screwing things up and fixing them. That's great fun.